someone tried to do something right without doing it right, and yep, they have screwed up. Over there, we have another very thing. If you compare to it, which these two units, you may see the lines on top of them to show the tonnage capacity, which is not visible on this one. And this is also can be considered as a non-compliant product. We can also say they've gone off over the time of usage, but surprisingly, it's not available for the whole length, not just the particular area right here. And we're gonna take another closer look over here. You may also see that it says EN1492-2, and surprisingly, this is a webbing sling and not a round sling, which is pretty much says how incorrect it is. And be careful when you are buying this sort of products, because again, it goes back to the poor manufacturing records of how this thing is done and so on. And yep, someone tried to do something right without doing it right, and yep, they have screwed up. And now what we have is a faulty product which you can't use. And come over here closer, we also found something. You may see the eye is twisted. It's not properly stitched and everything. You may see this. And how an eye should be is something like this. The eye should be in a clean turn, flat. And you may see this over here. It is not. Someone did a very bad job in trying to copy this. And yes, this is how thorough and detailed we are when we do our inspection. Yes, it will be a burden because you'll be surprised how many non-compliant products you may have. But then moving forward, it's also a good thing for you to keep all the good and compliant products.